Alright everyone, how's it going? So today we're gonna learn how to create an Archway address and how to send and receive tokens. So we're gonna do that via Cosmostation, which we are now downloading via the Play Store, as Cosmostation is a mobile wallet for the Cosmos ecosystem. So once we install Cosmostation, we're gonna see a screen in which we can choose to create a new wallet. So you can either import if you have it, but if you don't, then you're gonna be shown a mnemonic phrase which you're gonna need to backup in a very secure place, and then you can choose a name for the mnemonic. So remember, this is really sensitive information, so we are gonna also be asked to set up a PIN in order to access to the Cosmostation mobile wallet. And once we confirm our PIN, then we are ready to go. So as you can see, it's really easy to set up a Cosmostation mobile wallet account, and we can select the Archway network by just writing Archway in the search bar. So we can select Archway, and once we confirm, we are gonna be shown our Archway address. So as you can see, it's very fast, and just clicking on the Archway address, you can copy that address to the clipboard. You're gonna be also shown a QR code that represents your address, and also you can send really easily Archway tokens to another address. So as you can see, just pressing the send button, then you can choose which address you want to send tokens to, set the quantity, and then just confirm the transaction. And that's it.